Hey, if you're new, thanks for coming to Rustic Glam Life. And if you've been here before, please, I hope you have subscribed. If not, and you're new, and you like what you see, subscribe and hit that like button. So today we are unboxing Fab Fit Fun. And I got this about 5 days ago. And we were waiting. We had things going on, so waiting to open it. But I did, see, it's not unsealed yet. But I did open my big box that it comes in. You know, it comes in a regular box. And these were on top. And I was trying to get into my site just now because I can't remember if I ordered these extra or if these might be something once in a while, you know how they stick it on top. So we will have to see. But let's start out with these. These are exciting. I love getting this box because I just don't buy myself stuff like this. So whenever I get my box, it's such a good it's just like a little pick-me-up. You know, everybody loves gifts, and that's kind of what it is. And I try never to look at the spoilers. I go in and try to pick my things. Sometimes I forget, so then it's a really good surprise. But anyway, so here we are. We have the, these are by Too Faced, the Hangover RX Good in Bed Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Serum for your face. It's got, I should have glasses on. Coconut water, vitamin B5, so dragon fruit and hyaluronic, I never say that right, acid. And then the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1. And so this, and these are silicone free, alcohol free, and oil free. So I'm pretty excited. Can I just say, I love their packaging. First of all, it's pink. It's adorable. Love it, love it, love it. Check this out. These are really good size bottles too. And I'm terrible. I gotta smell everything. Oh, it smells like summer. It smells, it's coconut. I mean, like suntan spray or, you know, fruity drink. And so this one is the Hangover RX Good in Bed Hydrating Serum. So I'm assuming, without even reading it, that this is your nighttime. Oh, it's super, super soft. And that one smells good too. It's not as strong as the other one, but okay, so let's get right into the box because this might have been add-ons. I just can't remember. So let's get into what you get in the box. I probably should have cut this. But I didn't want you to think that I already opened it. There we go. Okay. So it always comes with this little magazine that's got all kinds of helpful tips, and it's got everything that you get in here and what the prices are. And so I guess we could open that so we can look. They do such a good job packaging stuff. So here we go. Oh my God, I'm so excited. A satin pillow sleeve, which I cannot remember if this was maybe one of the things I picked. See, I'd never remember. So that's awesome. Silk satin pillow sleeve, $29.50. These are really good for your skin. It's supposed to help reduce wrinkles, but it also helps reduce hair breakage. And this is super, super soft. It's open at both ends, so it's definitely a sleeve. That's nice. Feels really nice. I like it. I like it. $29.50. Definitely worth it. I don't know what to open next. Oh, the sunglasses. This was a choose item, and these are valued at $58. My voice is so high today, it's kind of weird. Not normally my style, but these are cute. Oh, it says Give Sight. It's got a little band on the side. Check them out. Everything kind of has a little bit of a blue tinge to it. Pretty cool. Do they look good, Kyle? Nice sunglasses. This is really good because today we went to the store, and you know how you put your sunglasses on top of your head? And I did that, and they're just cheap sunglasses from a store that's no longer even open. And I must have put my head back and they slide off. I lost them. Oh well. Okay, this is the Spongel, and I have had a couple of the sponges through here. Love them. This is hand cream in coconut verbena, and this retails for $18. Sorry. Let's see. I'm gonna try everything on, tell you if it smells good or not. Oh, this smells good. Really good. I love that everything smells good. And I am a very, I love scents, but I get bad headaches. So whenever I have something that winds up, I use it a little bit and it gives me a headache. I usually wind up giving it away, but I will keep that. And the bad thing is it's summer, so now we get the bees, right? Hydropeptide, can't see. Moisture Reset. It's a face oil. And let me see. Oh, whatever, you don't need me to. There you go. Oh my God. This retails for $120. That's crazy. Would never buy that. I'm so excited when I get stuff like this because I just normally wouldn't buy it for myself. But I have to tell you, at 50 years old, I started using oil about a year ago, and I think it makes a huge difference. So that being said, I will probably always make sure I have oil now. But these, I mean, they really last a long time. Soft, it's got a light smell, but it's not a real smelly smell. And look, again, pink, loving the choices. Loving, loving, loving. This is really nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, we have an eyeliner. Winky Lux. Next time I don't want to wear my glasses on camera because I don't like wearing them at all, but I'm getting to the point where I really need them. So next time I won't make you wait while I'm looking. This is beautiful. Let's see if I can find you a value on this. There we go. $16. And it's got the brush in, so it's got the pencil on one end and the brush. So it's nice brow brush. I will definitely be excited about that. Beach Mist. Let's see. Again, I cannot see. I'm losing all my stuff. I love everything so far in this box. I know that I usually say that, but I'll just open it, see if I can read it. It's got a little seal in it, so I couldn't open it. I seriously cannot read this. After sea spray. Okay. And I think I did find it here when I was. There we go. So this is $42. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. Oh, okay, I'm gonna love this, I can tell. Anything with lavender. And it's really, really soft. This I love it, love it. I'm saying that about everything this time, but I really am. Although this I might not love so much. Wait, there's one more little thing first. Oh, makeup drop, sponge. Yeah, these are great. Love getting a new one of these. This box I'm really happy with. There's been some boxes lately where there's a lot of stuff that I won't use, but I think everything in this one I will use myself. So I have to say I'm really excited this time. This is a beach towel. I do remember picking this. I can't remember what your choices were between, but I will tell you this beach towel. It was like the bag or the beach towel or the wireless charging pad or the diffuser. I went with the beach towel, figuring I'd use it the most. This is so pretty. Look at it. Love the colors, blue, pink, and purple. My colors, love them. It's not the thickest towel, but it feels pretty well made. This is $58. That's crazy, but check it out. I mean, that's a big towel. Love the colors, matches everything. So it looks like they did a really good job of, like, you know, really setting things up for summer. Got a little case for the Toms. So overall, I'm really excited about this box this time. Everything in here is going to be mine. I'm not giving any of it away, so I will be using it all. I hope you are too. If you have never gotten one of these, I think there's coupons out there. You can get like $10 off, I think. I would have to look at that. I can comment below, but this is $49 a season. It's every 3 months. I always think it's a great thing because even if there's something in there I'm not going to use, I can always give it away. I always find things that are more even if I only kept one thing, you saw the prices half the time. It's over $49, so I think it's a good deal. I know there's a lot of controversy about the boxes, but I cannot say anything bad about them just because I always get my value. So check it out. Think about ordering. I don't get anything. I pay for my boxes. So if you like what you see, hit like, subscribe, come on back, and I would love to see you. Check out our other unboxings and all of our crafting videos and home improvement projects. Until then, we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.